Here's an opportunity to be creative. You can add sound effect buttons for when you tell a joke. If it's a good joke, you can have a button that causes laughter, a laugh track. If it's a bad joke, you can maybe have a different button with a different sound effect. You can even use a budum rim shot. Let's first, before we can do any of these things, you're going to make your own button. Go to Sprite, not background, but Sprite. You're going to make your own button. You can make it however you want. I'm going to do a circle. This is for a good joke, right? So maybe I could write text. Haha. Oopsies, I need to change the color, right? Haha. Huh. Move it right there. And I can make it smaller or bigger. I could adjust the size however I want. A little smaller. Great. And then the code, actually, before we get to the code, we need to add a sound to the haha sprite. This is the haha sprite. So we're going to go to the sounds in that sprite. I don't want the pop sound. We're going to look for a good sound. There's all kinds of laughs. That's the one that I like the best. So I'm going to select it. Now it's called crowd laugh. Crowd laugh. And then the code should be for the sprite of the haha button event. When this haha button is clicked, when that sprite is clicked, sound, play the sound, crowd laugh until done. And you would do the same thing for a bad joke. You'd find a sound for that. And you're going to do the same thing for a rim shot. But let me show you how to do that. First, let's again do another circle. Oopsies. Do that purple color. Can adjust the colors and make them better, but whatever. I'm not too worried about that right now. We'll call that text. Let's get a dark color. Rim shot. Rim shot is like a drum sound. A little smaller so it fits in the circle. Might need to make that color a little lighter so we can see it. There we go. It's a little bright, but we can fix that later. And then for sounds, you actually are going to need to do this. You're going to have to go to Canvas because there's no rim shot sound in Scratch. And in Canvas, for 4th grade technology, there's a file. Click on Files and go to Dad Joke Generator. Here's Rimshot. Yeah. Click Download. Now the Rimshot sound is downloaded to your computer. So now go back to Scratch. In the Rimshot sprite, go to Sounds, get rid of that pop sound. And instead of searching, you're going to now upload a sound, Rimshot. If you don't find it, go to Recents and click Rimshot. Open it. Now the code is event. When the Rimshot sprite is clicked, sound, play Rimshot until done. There we go. Go ahead and save it. And you could add another button for a bad joke if you want.